What's up, y'all? It's your girl Alicia Lesh, and I'm back to y'all another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back, fam. What's up, y'all? So today is a new day. Today is Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday. Yes, your girl is so happy. So today, y'all already see I'm in the car right now. Today this video is starting off in the car. This vlog will be starting off in the car, as y'all can see. Hold on, y'all, 1 second. What's up, y'all? So my bad, y'all, I'm at the bar right now. Actually, like I said, this video is actually starting off in the car. Today we're going to Hueganot Park. I'm actually going to Hueganot Park today with my cousin. I'm at the bar, as y'all can see. Yeah, grabbing a bottle real quick, and this is the beginning of the vlog. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the video. Okay, I just had to hop on here real quick and do my intro and let y'all know what's gonna go on for the day, and I will see you guys in a minute. Okay, so y'all, I'm just leaving the bar. I need to stop and grab some chaser too. Shit. Ooh, come on, let me turn. Hurry up. Underlay. Okay, y'all. Ooh, them whip skills. Yeah. But y'all, I'm at the corner store. Get some chaser real quick. What's up, y'all? So right now I am in, let me turn the music all the way down, no copyright. So what's up, y'all? So right now I'm in the truck. Y'all see I got my little cousins. Look, my little cousins in the background. Say hey, y'all. This is my little cousin TJ, Aubrey, and then I got Fred. Hey, Fred, don't hide from the camera. These my 3 little cousins, y'all. Y'all say hey, YouTube. Hey, YouTube. So yeah, y'all, right now we're at the grocery store right now.
We gotta go to the beach.
Yes, we're about to go to the beach. We're about to go to Hueganot Park. Y'all, we're not going to Jax Beach. We're gonna go to Hueganot Park today. It's a beach. It's a different type of beach. So, but it's in Jacksonville, Florida, of course. We're going to Hueganot Park though. And yeah, it's gonna be a whole vibe today. A whole vibe. And yeah, we about to grill at the, it's gonna be a sunny day today. It's hot as heck today in Jacksonville. And yeah, we're just gonna have a fun day today. Eat, drink, have fun, and enjoy the water. But yeah, y'all, I just want to hop on here. My cousin Trail just went in the store to get some hamburgers to throw on the grill, because we already got hot dogs, we got charcoal, and we got the grill already. And yeah, we're pretty much just gonna head out after she grabbed the hamburgers out of the store. But I see y'all in a minute. I just want to hop on here and touch bases and let y'all know what was going on. My little cousins, look at them. They so cute. But I'll see y'all in a minute. Say bye, y'all. We'll see y'all in a minute.
Recording your shit.
I just started back. Say hey, cousin.
Hey, y'all.
What's up, y'all? My cousin just got back in the car. Y'all told y'all she was in Harvey's grabbing a few more things. But we headed to the store once again to grab a little something. And then we're going to head out to Hueganot Park.
To the liquor store.
To the liquor store. little liquor.
To the liquor store.
Yeah, so we'll see y'all in a minute. We're finna pull up at the liquor store right now, okay? And grab the bottle. So we'll see y'all in a minute.
The bottle.
It's right here. What's up, y'all? So right now we are headed, well, right now we actually at BP. I don't know if y'all can see me. What's up, y'all? So right now we are at BP. Whew. Bathroom. Okay. Whew. We had to stop by the store real quick, y'all. Hold on, I gotta use the bathroom. 4-wheel?
I don't know.
Okay, if it is not a four-wheel drive car, you have to park in the parking lot over there.
Okay.
Okay? How many in your car?
5.
No pets, right?
No.
$5, please.
Yeah, I'm recording y'all in.
Cause I don't see them right
It's some baby bird.
now.
Mommy,
No, because like the police.
So we getting the grill together, y'all. Cousin getting it right. She just put charcoals enough to light this mug up. Yes. Get it burning. Getting it right. Huh? No, you don't have to say that right there, but you know, don't go too far. Don't be scared. Aubrey, what you doing?
Getting my nails done.
You getting your nails done?
Getting it round.
Oh, with the which is with the sand?
Yeah.
Oh,
Like the
okay.
brown sand.
Okay, girl. What you say, that motherfucker fit?
It is. Look at y'all.
Oh yes. Oh, it look good. Cousin got the grill going. Yeah.
Guys, don't go no more far.
Y'all, I got a whole umbrella. I don't know. I think it's my cousin umbrella, y'all, but I got it. Say y'all say what's up to Shay. This is my cousin friend, my cousin Tasha friend. We out here posted up at the beach. Hot as fuck. Cousin.
Hey, cousin.
Okay, say what's up. Y'all done saw true.
All the time.
Y'all, it is so hot out here. Y'all, it's so hot. But we still out here having fun. Whew. I got sand everywhere. Literally. But we out here still vibing. I'm about to eat because your girl is hungry, okay? We got hot dogs, hamburgers. I should have brought some chicken because I really want some chicken. I'm in the mood for some chicken right now. I really am. I don't know why I ain't stopped by Premier and get some chicken to put on the grill too. But we got hot dogs and hamburgers, so that's good enough. I'm about to eat me a hot dog, a big hot dog. That's some nice size hot dogs. So I'm about to eat one of those and have me a hamburger too. Yes. Your girl is for to have a hamburger too because I'm hungry. So one thing about it, the water will make you hungry. Even though I ain't get all the way in, but you know, yeah. But just want to hop on here and touch bases with you guys and let y'all know what was going on. People looking at me when I'm recording, but I don't care. And she drug it way over here. Strong as fuck. Look at the children. Yeah. Y'all, somebody out there fishing. Y'all see the man out there fishing in the middle of the water? Then let y'all know this water is pretty shallow, y'all. Y'all, so, yeah. Your girl is gonna refill her cup, y'all already know. just left Hueganot Park, and we back at my cousin's house, and now we just finna chill. Look at my little cousin. He love to be in the camera, y'all. We got toys. What's that? Oh, we put the toys in that's the Sandy toys that we got from the beach. But y'all, we back over here right now. We left the Hueganot Park. We just left the beach, and now we're just over here chilling.
We right here, and we ate out the pool.
We from the beach. We came from the beach just now.
Yeah.
Yes. Now we back at the house, you guys, and we will see y'all in a minute. I just wanted to post y'all.
And we got the tower.
Let y'all know what was going on back in my cousin's house. And now we here. We about to eat some seafood, some shrimp, turkey neck, and potatoes or whatever. And yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute.
And we got some Capri Sun.
What we got, cousins? The Capri Suns. Yes. So we got Capri Suns. Y'all, he love to be in the camera.
And we got dinosaurs.
Yeah.
Roar.
And we will see y'all in a minute.
And we will see you happy.
Y'all see cousin at it again. Y'all know how she do already. We got a shrimp crab. What is it? I'm talking about crabs. Okay, we got no crabs, but we got some shrimp, motherfuckers. Yes, we got us a what we gonna call it solo dolo, 2 solo dolos for me and cousin. Like this, but listen, y'all. Listen, I'm at Popeyes. I literally just slipped on some clothes to drive up at Popeyes, and in front of me is this lady ordering, right? And the girl who taking her order got badass customer service, y'all. She keep that. Would that be y'all? Would that be y'all? Would that be y'all? Every time the lady orders something, the girl just like, we don't have that. We don't have any more. And lady just pulled off. She's like, y'all get up my nerves, y'all badass customer service. She better not try me like this. I'm finna order right now. Better not try me like that.
Thank you for using Popeyes. Give me 1 second.
Okay. So I'm waiting to get my order taken, y'all. I'm sorry I picked up the camera like this, y'all, and I look tired, but listen, I literally just, like I told y'all, I just ran up here just to get some chicken real quick. Like, yeah, but I had to pick the camera up. I'm waiting to get my order taken, y'all. It's literally one car in front of me, which is the lady, of course, but at the window, she's the only one in front of me, so that's good. Yes, ma'am. Can I please have the I have the toucan dine. The code is 8049. And
What you got?
yes, macaroni and cheese and mashed potatoes with gravy. And could I and could I please have 2 breasts, 2 legs, and a wing in the box?
We don't have any more rings.
Oh, good then. Can you just give me all legs and 2 breasts?
All legs and 2 breasts.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. 1074.
Thank you. Now, as y'all can see, she didn't try me, y'all. I don't know. People just be having mood swings sometimes, especially when you work at a fast food restaurant, y'all. Yeah, because I was going to get back with her. You know what I'm saying? I don't care if it's my food or not, because, you know what I'm saying? Try me. But, yeah. People be like, oh, I ain't finna say nothing, even though the customer service person, the person that's in the drive-thru, right, that's taking your order, you know what I'm saying, if they get smart with you or anything like that, you know what I'm saying, while you placing your order, I get smart right back with that motherfucking ass, because you ain't finna talk to me in a motherfucking kind of way just because you think, because you handling my food that I'm just gonna sugarcoat and push that shit to the side and bite my tongue. No, because I come through that motherfucking window or come inside. Shoot, because they already talking about they ain't taking customers inside, but I come through the window and yeah, try me. But yeah, she didn't try me though. She was pretty nice, but I don't know. But I know how it is working at customer service because I used to work at McDonald's. So yeah, you just gotta treat people how they treat you. If they nice to you, be nice to them. If they rude to you, sometimes ignore it and just move on about your business or do what you want to do. You know what I'm saying? Handle that. But yeah, I'm just in McDonald's drive. I mean, I'm talking about McDonald's. I'm right here in Popeye's drive-thru. Y'all know what I'm doing. I just wanted to hop on here and yeah, let y'all know what's going on. And yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute. I'm about to get my food. Once I get my food, y'all see me. They need to come on. I'm hungry. Ain't nothing but one car in front of me. Nothing but one car in front of me, baby. Hurry up. Appreciate it. Oh shit. Okay, y'all. Oh. So I'm sorry, y'all. This footage, my camera be looking real blurry sometimes, but I need to clean my lens off. I think that's what it is. I don't know. I'm finna go in the house though. Y'all, it's so hot. Jeez. Whew, Lordy. Let y'all know what was gonna go down real quick. Like, shoot, hold on y'all, let me grab something. So yeah, y'all, I just want to hop on here and let y'all know what was going down. Okay, right now I'm getting ready real quick, y'all. We're about to go to the Arlington reunion on the south side. Is that the west side or the south side? I don't fucking know. I've been living in Jacksonville for all my life. The south side, yeah. But anyways, y'all, we're finna go over there to the Arlington reunion. It's gonna be at Bruce Park, and my friend literally said she's 10 minutes away, so I gotta hurry up because she was supposed to been hit me up. She know that. Tickle, if you're watching this, I'm gonna get you, girl. But yeah, y'all, it's all good. Excuse me. Whew. Things happen, and we still finna go. We finna slide. But I just wanna hop on here and touch bases with y'all. I need to finish flat ironing my hair and get myself together. I'll see y'all in a minute, okay?
I'm out here getting little clips of the boys skating with the
Oh,
baby.
okay.
Like, girl, my mind just was like ready. You know how like when you be ready?
Yes.
Like, you get in your dog house like, ain't no
Yes.
coming in the house, bitch. We finna ride.
We be
Nah,
on
I
go,
just- yeah.
always.
But I was on go.
So y'all, I'm in the car now. Y'all already know who I'm with. Tila, y'all already know what's up.
Arlington.
That's right. Y'all see her shirt?
Arlington.
That shit cute as fuck. Look.
Arlington in the
Cute as
building,
fuck.
y'all.
Yes, representing,
Zone
baby. Period. Cause that's where my homegirl from. So y'all don't. Yeah. But I'm riding with her to the Arlington reunion, y'all. I ain't from Arlington, but I'm going because I'm quick, because I'm with my girl. Okay?
Rest in peace, Willie.
Rest in peace,
Willie D. Rest in peace, Jennifer.
What?
All the fallen
Rest in
soldiers.
peace, all along, for real, for sure, for sure. But we headed to the reunion right now, y'all. Already know. I'm glad that damn sun done went down, because shit, it was hot as fuck, and it's still hot out here.
It really is.
But we headed there now, y'all. We'll see y'all in a minute, okay? Hold on, wait, this is a video. Yep. We outside Arlington reunion. Okay. Reunion, you guys. Yeah. What's up, y'all? So right now we are at the gas station. Okay, getting some gas real quick, y'all. Just wanted to touch bases with y'all. Hold on, let me clean my lens off. Look. Okay, that's better. But yeah, y'all, we at the gas station right now getting some gas. Just wanted to let y'all know what was going on. We literally just left the reunion. It was so fun. We just went out there, showed our face real quick. We didn't stay out there for long, you know, stay out there for a quick little minute, but it was nice. stuff like that, you don't want to stay out there for too long. You want to get in and get out, okay? Get in and get out. You never know what's gonna go down later, you know? And show your face and leave. Get in and get out. But yeah, we leaving. I mean, we just left there. We getting some gas, and I keep y'all posted. I just want to grab the camera and let y'all know what's going on with this real quick. But I will see y'all in a minute. And yeah, I really hate this shirt. It's giving me a lot of problems. Jeez. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you my dog, but be sure when we come.
It was. That part. Oh shit, bitch. Oh, it's this though. Ain't nobody see. Okay, that's obvious.
Especially when it's not for me, I'm like,
Yep.
well, I hope you have a good night. Try, right?
Really, I love it. Alizé, y'all. What y'all know about the Alizé? This was the shiznit back in the day. Good Alizé.
Ooh, you know I felt that burn. I ain't even go when I could have went. I let that car go. That shit was coming. That shit. No.
That part.
Ooh.
Oh shit! What's up, y'all? So this is the end of the video. I just want to hop on here and do my outro. Y'all already know. And make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let your girl know how you like the video. You already know. And yeah, this is actually the next day. So I just had to do my outro, hop on here, and let y'all know, you know, what was going on. End of the video. And I will see y'all in the next video, the next vlog, whatever. Okay? See y'all later. Love y'all.